Welcome back. Today we got the best CCTV cameras for 2023. You can buy every one of them for the best prices from the links in the description. Get ready to protect right out of the box. Advanced home security, whole home protection for your front lawn, backyard, and everything in between. With optional monitoring services, the agents keep watch even when you can't, ready to instantly alert emergency responders. You can arm, disarm, and protect anytime, anywhere. Wireless outdoor cameras have an ultra-wide, 140-degree field of view, 1080p HD resolution, and color night vision. You can see what's happening outside 24/7. The SimplyCam 1080p HD indoor security camera lets you see what's happening at home anytime from your phone, tablet, or computer, and it comes with a built-in stainless steel shutter for complete control over your privacy. When you enable video verification on your SimpliSafe cameras, the professional monitoring agents can use eyewitness evidence to verify a break-in, which can mean faster police response. Motion sensors detect motion within 30 feet, have a 90-degree field of view, and get along great with pets under 50 pounds. Perfect for full room coverage when placed in a corner. This cost about $430. If you love discovering new tech products, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest reviews and insights. With 4K resolution, this provides the highest quality video and digital zooms, which gives you the best chance to decipher distant details. Smart Motion Detection Plus will deliver mobile push notifications to tell you exactly what kind of motion the camera has detected. With the Lorix Home app, you can control your security system from your smartphone. Also, you can customize your security with Fusion. Create a personalized Lorix smart home ecosystem by pairing your system with up to 8 wired and 8 Wi-Fi devices. This allows you to record continuous video from all wired and Wi-Fi cameras to the NVR hard drive. This NVR comes with a new and improved recorder interface. The updated navigation provides a faster setup, instant access to your live cameras, easier customization of your cameras, and a simpler method to review footage. Panic button stop events before they happen. An easy-to-use panic button located on the front of the recorder will activate all lights and sirens on your compatible active deterrence cameras. This built-in 2 TB hard drive and expandable to 8 TB HDD. This cost about $260. With Ring, you can get the whole picture of whatever happens, whenever it happens in wide-angle, 1080p HD. Spotlight Cam Plus brightens things up when you're home or away with 2 built-in LED lights to help make sure nothing goes unnoticed, day or night, rain or shine. When something moves into view, your camera springs into action, helping you quickly deter threats and disturbances both automatically and in the Ring app. You are able to receive real-time notifications and check in at home at any time from anywhere with the Live View button. Limit what the camera records with customizable privacy zones. Connect select Ring devices to see what's happening and control them all from a single dashboard. Stay connected to your community with real-time crime and safety alerts from your neighbors and local public safety agencies. Just place Spotlight Cam Plus Solar on a flat surface or wall and insert the removable battery pack. Connect it to the solar panel. Now you're ready to protect. Also, works with Alexa. This cost about $160. ARLO's Essential Security Camera records video in 1080p for a clear picture and sees more of your property thanks to the wide 130 degrees viewing angle. Fast, wireless setup, the Essential Spotlight surveillance and security cameras deliver increased installation flexibility to get the perfect camera view. You can use color night vision to make these outdoor security cameras the perfect cameras for home security. With an ARLO Secure Plan, receive smarter notifications for people, vehicles, packages, and animals so you can react quickly right from your phone's lock screen. Hear and speak to visitors at your with clear, two-way audio, and can be easily used as a baby monitor with camera and audio, nanny cam, and pet camera. Simplify your home security system by utilizing ARLO's Wi-Fi camera capability to connect directly to your Wi-Fi for fast, wire-free installation with no hub required. This is certified and tested to withstand the toughest conditions. Comes with simple to set up and easy to recharge. Also, works seamlessly with your smart home. This cost about $260. Nest Cam has built-in intelligence and can tell the difference between a person, animal, and vehicle and send alerts directly through the Google Home app. Easily check in from anywhere 24/7 with 1080p HDR video with night vision, and see what you missed with 3 hours of free event video history. You can add a Nest Aware subscription for up to 60 days of video history. If your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, Nest Cam will store up to an hour of recorded events. This comes with a wall plate that can be mounted on your brick wall. This is battery powered, so you don't need to set it up near an outlet, and the magnetic mount makes installation effortless. You can stream your live video feed hands-free on compatible smart displays with Google Assistant. You will be able to talk and listen with the built-in speaker and mic on your security camera, or call your local emergency service directly from the Google Home app. This cost about $170. The video surveillance equipment can be installed in your home or business. An 8MP PoCat 5e system provides 4x greater clarity than 1080p. Color night vision provides video images up to 115 feet with LED lights. In this security camera system, you will get smart alerts and notifications sent to your phone via the SWANN app with this PoIP outdoor security camera system with human and vehicle detection. With a pre-installed 2TB HDD, users are provided an option of 24/7 continuous recording or SWANN True Detect heat and motion-triggered event-only recordings. Get up to 365 days of stored video with True Detect. Each outdoor security camera is tested to withstand all elements. Quick view clips make logging events with your security cameras easier. Also works with Google Assistant and Alexa. This cost about $730. ZMODO outdoor Wi-Fi camera is metal-made to resist extremely harsh weather, thus has a longer life. Enhanced antennas provide you with a stronger signal and wider Wi-Fi connection. Watch your home in true 1080p Full HD day and night, and see up to 65 feet away in the dark. Videos can be viewed anywhere, anytime. Be notified with a key image of an event when the security cameras detect a movement, so that you can take a sneak peek of what happened immediately. Tap into the app to check the motion video clips for more details. This home security camera system works with Alexa and Google Assistant. This cost about $115. Okay, then that's for today. See you in another interesting video.